Discover nature's gentle healing secrets right from your kitchen, where everyday plants can spark real health and fit any schedule. First, brew a simple lemon ginger honey tea to boost immunity and soothe irritation without synthetic additives. Second, sip mint tea at night to calm digestion and ease stress, pairing it with a warm, cozy, mindful routine. Third, apply a cooled chamomile compress to eyes after phone doom scrolls and long work days, reducing fatigue and supporting gentle healing. Try these simple steps, share your results, and subscribe for more easy natural health wins today.